I will explain to you a way that will make you get 1 Ethereum without losing any money. All of this uses source code. First, you need to enter the code PEN website. Now, if you are not registered, create an account and click on Start Programming. It will appear like this. All we care about is the HTML field. Step 2. Go to the description box below the video and you will receive a link and code. Go to it and make sure you have copied the entire code. Paste the code into the HTML field. Good, now the code is working for you. Now you need to connect to the wallet. Enter our wallet. Now the most important step is to open a second account in the wallet so that we can transfer the quality between my first and second accounts. I won't lose anything. Don't worry. Now make sure you are in your second account, which has $0. Now, it's time to get Ethereum. Click on Get Ethereum. Now we will confirm the process. Choose the cheapest fees, just like me, and we will confirm. Now wait for the confirmation to appear. We will enter the wallet, the second account. A good amount will be deposited every time we use the method. Now congratulations. Don't forget that we need the first computer to have some money for the method to work for you. Thank you for watching and don't forget to